Welcome, fellow designers, to CAD and Sorcery. If you're looking to connect your 3D Experience platform assets with your SOLIDWORKS desktop software, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm talking about the role Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS, which grants you access to the Design with SOLIDWORKS application. This installs an add-in to your SOLIDWORKS, allowing you to access all your 3D Experience platform assets. But a little disclaimer here. The installation of Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS is separate from the installation of 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS, which I have covered in another video. You can find this video linked in the description. Before we dive into the details, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. Back to the video. To install Design with SOLIDWORKS on your machine, you'll need access to the 3D Experience platform using your credentials, and your administrator must have granted you the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS role. If you don't have access to this role, you can request it from your administrator, or if you're an administrator, you can grant it to yourself. First things first, let's log into the 3D Experience platform. Enter your username, followed by your password, and then click the Login button. Once you are inside the platform, navigate to the compass icon located at the top left part of your browser. From the list of roles, select the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS role. From the apps granted by this role, we're interested in the Design with SOLIDWORKS app. If it's your first time installing an app from the 3D Experience platform, you might be prompted to install the 3D Experience Launcher. This launcher serves as an installation tool for native apps. Check out the 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS installation guide on how to install the launcher. On the Design with SOLIDWORKS app, click on the Install Now button. From here, you can install all granted roles or the roles containing Design with SOLIDWORKS. I'll go for this option. An installation window will appear to initiate the installation. Before you proceed, I suggest you click this link here to use the Cloud Eligibility tool to check if your machine is compatible with a 3D Experience platform. Once you are ready, click on Next. I will go with the default installation directories and configurations for this installation, so I'll hit Next on everything. The installation may take several minutes depending on your system. Once you're done, press Close on the final page and return to your browser, where you can click once again on the arrow of the Design with SOLIDWORKS app. From there, by clicking on the rightmost arrow, you can create a shortcut on your desktop. Opening SOLIDWORKS from this shortcut initiates the Design with SOLIDWORKS add-in along with your SOLIDWORKS. If you get this message when SOLIDWORKS opens, don't worry. The only thing you must do is to activate the add-in from the add-ins menu. By doing this, the add-in appears on the task pane on the right, and you have full access to your 3D Experience platform roles and apps. When the Design with SOLIDWORKS app is installed on your machine, you can go back to your browser and choose the Collaborative Designer for SOLIDWORKS role. If you click on the arrow next to the Design with SOLIDWORKS app, you get three new options. The Update button updates Design with SOLIDWORKS to the latest version. The Shortcut option, as we've seen, creates a shortcut on your desktop. And the Uninstall button uninstalls the app from your machine. These options are easy to follow. I'll initiate the uninstall option to show you how easy it is. And that's how you can connect SOLIDWORKS with the 3D Experience platform. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. Also, feel free to write any questions you might have in the comments below. See you next video!